guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to our fans on TV. It's the CAF Confed Cup. Kaizer Chiefs 2, Al Masry 1. I'm joined by Mike.
Mike.
Stibo.
Yeah.
So bona Stibo.
I'm Nandi.
Yaphila Stibo.
Yeah.
Kokuqala Stibo. Zoqala ngithi ngithanda ukubonga kwiKaizer Chiefs.
Yes.
They really played a good game.
Yeah.
Stibo yabona i-combination kaMabowe noNdlovu.
Yeah.
It is something that we needed.
Beautiful.
Yabona igame lesidlule kwe-CAF le Nedbank.
Yeah.
Stibo kula game Stibo.
Yeah.
Ngibone isizwe sethu singasebenzi.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
Intwana yethu idinga abantu abazomsupporta iduze kwabo.
Yes.
Stibo izolo bengisempumalanga.
Yeah.
Ngangilahla ukhokho wami Stibo ona 102 years Stibo. So may his soul continue to rest in peace Stibo. Sibonge kuKaizer Chiefs. Today ngihappy Stibo. Ngiyobuyela eGlen ngihappy.
Yeah.
La ngiyofika khona umfazi wami ngiyomthola nje ayenza izinto eziright. Ngiyomthola yenza izinto eziright. Stibo! Ngithi ngiyomthola izinto eziright. Uzothi mangena. Phela thi baba ungasadla sihambe uzamina. Yebo! Dali pakane, dali pakane, dali wing charge pakane.